Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install 5 proxy protocols using the Belfi app. The Belfi app has Docker Compose at its core, with which it deploys 5 Docker containers for each proxy type. The proxy types are HYSTERIA 2, TUIC, SHADOWSOCKS, TROJAN and JUICITY. The Belfi app is supposed to be run on a Debian 12 server with at least one CPU core and preferably 2 GB of RAM. You'll also need to have a domain name, which you will need to point to your server's IP address using your DNS provider. If you don't know how to point your domain to your server, then you can easily find plenty of videos on YouTube on this topic. One thing I would like to mention is if your DNS provider is Cloudflare, then make sure to turn off the Cloudflare proxy status. And I will assume that at this point you have acquired a Debian 12 server. Now we will have to connect to our server using the SSH credentials our server suppliers provided. To connect to the server, we'll need an SSH client. I'm using Termius here, but you can use any client you have. And the credentials usually consist of username and password. Here you can fill in your IP address, as I said, username and password. If you have an SSH key, you can also use that in this app, but you'll probably just have a password. So I'll grab my IP address here, put it here. Now here we write our username, and you will have to write your password here. As I said, I'm going to be using an SSH key, and click the connect button. Okay, click replace here. And after we have connected to the server, all we need to do right now is to simply paste in this command. Let me just grab it quickly. So here's the command: bash curl fssl http://belfi.io and click enter. Now the script is going to perform a few things. It's going to do apt update, apt upgrade. I'll skip through this part of the video. Now, another thing I want to say is if you get this screen pop up during the update, then just select the first option with the arrow keys and press enter. The script's going to proceed, finish updating. Now, when the script will have finished updating, we'll get this user input. We'll have to write our domain name and email address here for requesting the Let's Encrypt certificates. And the email we write here is going to be the email we're going to receive notifications from Let's Encrypt about our certificate expiry. But really, if you don't want to receive those emails, you can just write a random email address here. Just make sure that it follows the standard form. So here we see that Let's Encrypt is requesting the certificates. We have received the certificates, and now the application is installing, is pulling the Docker containers. And we're pretty much done here. So Docker started our containers, and we have here the client URLs and the QR codes for the configs. Now what you have to do now is pretty much just using your phone. If you're connecting your client on your phone, just pull your phone out. If you have an iPhone, I recommend ShadowSocks. Oh, sorry, ShadowRocket. You can scan the QR codes and add the configs. If you have Android, you can use NecoBox or MyProxy. On Mac, you will need to use either Hidify or ShadowRocket again. You can download it from App Store. And on Windows, you will need to use Hidify or other proxy clients. One more thing I will say though, here's the website of the Belfi app. You can view the documentation here, and I'm going to put the link to the website in the description. On the website, you go to the main page and then click Quick Start, and then go to the downloading page, and here is the installation script. That is pretty much it, guys. You can find the link, as I said, to the Belfi website down in the video description. Please like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.